Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to enable autoplay preview on Netflix. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Are you wondering how to turn on autoplay previews on Netflix if you've noticed that previous video aren't playing automatically where you are browsing or you accidentally turn the feature off and want to enable it again? So you've come to the right place. So first of all, if you want to you want to enable the autoplay preview, of course, you can just open your Netflix. And as you can see in here, when I try to hover my cursor to the movie or uh, the uh, the video, the movie is not playing automatically, right? So if you want to make it playing the previews automatically, you can go to settings. You can select on your profile, select on account, scroll down, select on edit settings. From edit settings, you can just scroll down and you can go to playback settings. And on playback setting, you'll find there is an option autoplay previews. You can just enable by clicking on the toggle in here. So you have update your preferences. You can go back to your home on Netflix and let's see how it turns. Now, as you can see in here, you have playing this uh, movie automatically, right, for the previews. And I try to hover my cursor in here. It's very simple, right? So now, before you want to watch a movie, you can check the preview first. It's very simple. So that is how to turn on autoplay previews on Netflix. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.